Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is your instructor Miss Komal here, and today you are learning grammar with me. And what we are going to do today is adverb. So what is adverb? An adverb is used to describe the action of a verb, such as how the action was taken place, where the action was taken place, or when the action was taken place, or when the action is done. So adverb tells us about the manner, about the place, about the time of a verb, of an action. For example, he frowned angrily. So angrily shows that how he frowned. And then she shouted loudly. So the word loudly tells how she shouted. So the word angrily and loudly are adverbs. And then they passed the test easily. So the word easily is describing the action of passing, that how they passed the test. So easily is also an adverb. So I hope that you have understood that how an adverb modifies a verb. So there are many kinds of adverb, but the 5 kinds that are basic kinds of an adverb are adverb of manner, it tells us how; adverb of time, it tells us when; and adverb of place, it tells us where; adverb of frequency, it tells us how often. How often mean daily, always, sometimes, usually, regularly, seldom. So this is frequency. And adverb of degree, it's a sort of a kind as the part of speech that is adjective has. As adjective has degrees, like adjective adverb has also degrees, like positive, comparative, and superlative. For example, the word early is an adverb of time. So you can make degrees of the word early, like you can say very early, you can say more, you can say earlier, and you can say earliest. Like the word late is also an adverb of time, so you can make the degree of the adverb late, like very late, like later, like latest. So this is adverb of degree. So tick the correct adverbs in the given sentences. So the first sentence is the bird sang dash on the tree. So the correct adverb is sweetly. The second word is the hare ran dash but could not win the race. So the correct adverb is fast. The dog was nowhere or everywhere to be found. So nowhere is the correct adverb. Rafiq has completed his work. So almost is the correct adverb. Jilani speaks the truth. So Jilani always speaks the truth. So next one is answer has recovered after the operation. So the correct adverb is fully. So you can read out the following sentences on your own, and I have marked the correct adverb in the sentences. So the next thing that we are going to do is prepositions. So what is preposition? Prepositions are words that we use before nouns or pronouns to show their relationship with other words in a sentence. Like I am sitting on a chair. So the word on is a preposition that is telling us, and that is showing the relationship between I and chair. I am sitting on the chair. On is telling my location, that I am sitting right upon the chair. So the next one is I am walking to her. So the word to, that is a preposition, is telling my intention, my direction, that I am walking towards her. So the word on and to are the prepositions. So they tell us locations, directions, and time also. Next exercise in the activity that you have here is fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions from the bracket. So you will fill the blanks on your own. I have just marked the correct preposition in the options. So the first sentence is Snow White's stepmother stood dash to the mirror and combed her hair. So the correct preposition would be before, stood before the mirror. So the boy jumped dash the river and rescued the puppy. So the correct preposition would be into. In is also correct, but for jumping in water, we use the correct preposition that we use is into water. So the farmer tied the bull dash the tree with the tree. Jack enjoyed the picnic dash the river, so beside the river. The teacher distributed the sweets dash the students, so among the students. Samia found the shoes dash the bed. The correct preposition is under the bed, so you are going to do the remaining sentences on your own. So the last thing is conjunctions. So what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the word that join two or more words, phrases or clauses. So you can notice that there are conjunctions in the definition also, like or. So the word or is conjuncting and joining the two words and two clauses and phrases also. Like conjunctions are the word that join two or more words. So the word or is joining the word two and more words. And then phrases or clauses. The word or is joining phrases and clauses. So in this in the examples, you can see yes or not. Or is a conjunction. You can see in the circle, they have given you a tip, like conjunctions are joining words. And in the examples, you can see the bold words that are red in color. You can see they are conjunctions. I am hungry and thirsty. So the word and is joining hungry, thirsty, these two words. It is late, but I am not tired. So the word but is joining two sentences that are it is late and I am not tired. So you can read up all the examples that have been given here. So let's move toward our exercise. Last activity for today's class is tick the conjunctions that will complete these sentences. So the first one is Kabir is young, not very wise. So the correct conjunction would be yet not very wise. The book is dash in the desk or in the bookshelf. So the correct conjunction would be either, because we have the pair of either in the next slot of the sentence, that is or. I like Rizvi, he is very kind, because he is very kind. My mother is my friend, philosopher and guide. So this is the correct conjunction, that is and. Neither Salman nor Beena has come to school today. So the pair of conjunction with neither is nor, not or. So the remaining sentences that are here, you are going to read them on your own and you will inshallah understand them. So this was your class today. I hope that all of you have understood the things, as you have been studying all the things in your previous classes also. So see you in some other class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz, students.